delivering information that matters to all Oklahomans. This is ONR, the Oklahoma News Report.
According to a new report, Oklahoma's roads and bridges are being repaired at a much faster rate thanks to millions of dollars in new spending. ONR's Robert Birch reports the study recommends a steady revenue stream to keep progress moving forward.
A report by the National Transportation Research Group, otherwise known as TRIP, says Oklahoma's investment in fixing state roads and bridges is producing results that should please taxpayers.
The state, since 2006, has been able to drop from approximately 1,200 of its state-maintained bridges being structurally deficient to currently approximately 800 of those bridges are considered structurally deficient, and they think by 2015 that will drop to approximately 500 structurally deficient bridges on the state-maintained system, cutting that nearly in half within a decade, which is really tremendous progress.
After 20 years of flatlined funding for repairs, Oklahoma remains number 2 in the U.S. in the number of crumbling bridges. The report finds that from 2006 to 2010, state government spent an additional $748 million for road and highway and bridge repairs. And over the next 5 years, approximately another $1 billion will be spent on the state's transportation systems.
From 2005 to 2015, we'll make about a 10% improvement in the surface condition of our roadways on the good side. The good condition ones will raise by 10%, and the poor condition ones will fall by 10% in the number of miles that are in that category.
Despite the progress, many state roads and bridges are still in bad shape, and funds at the state capitol remain in short supply.
That has been very critical in allowing Oklahoma to begin to start to make progress, particularly with reducing the number of structurally deficient bridges in the state, and also to improve overall pavement conditions on the state-maintained system, which is the backbone of the state's transportation system.
With state government looking at a $500 million hole in next year's budget, finding additional funding for continued progress fixing Oklahoma's aging infrastructure will be a challenge, to say the least. For the foreseeable future, depending on federal funding is also problematic, as funding there has stalled. For ONR, I'm Robert Birch.